What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a color touch up on my client Tiasha. She's actually a hairstylist as well. I will put her information below. Her salon name is Touch of Reflection. You can find that on Instagram, on Google. It's called Touch of Reflection. But I'm touching my girl up. I'm touching her color up. This is her second time getting color with me, and we do not use bleach. I believe she had her color done before me. That's why her ends are lighter. And I think that person did use bleach, but I've been retouching up her color and I don't use any bleach. I'm actually using L'Oreal Hicolor in the color Magenta. We're using it with a 30 volume developer. And yeah, we're about to get this thing looking real nice and new, vibrant, because as you can see, her color has dulled out a little bit. Well, I guess y'all don't know what her original color looked like, but just know it's a popping red. And this Magenta will get you there without having to use any bleach. So first technique I'm going to say when retouching color, if the hair has grown out a significant amount, which in my opinion this color has, you're going to have to go through twice. So basically you need to cover the part that's not close to the root first, and then you're going to have to go all the way back through and touch the root. The reason for this is if you touch that root first, you're going to have hot roots. Your roots are going to be lighter than the rest of your hair because the heat from the scalp is processing this color faster than, you know, the hair that's not close to the scalp. Your own personal body heat will process that color at the root. So you want to go through and put color on the section of hair that needs to be colored, you know, from the old color up a little bit before you touch the root, and then you'll go back and hit the root. So as you can see right here, I haven't touched the root yet. I'm just trying to get that part that's not close to the root processing before I go close to the root. And as you can see, I went through and did all of that first, and now I'm going back through and I'm laying that color at the root. And then once I do that and I let that sit for a little bit of time, I'm going to go back through and quickly put some color on the ends just to vibrant everything back up, so we can have a nice cohesive red. Her ends are going to be lighter because they're lighter to start off with. Her ends were bleached at some point, but that area from the bleached ends to her root, we've only used this color. We haven't used any bleach or anything like that. So just stay tuned for the remainder of this video. I love using this Magenta color. You could say it's a professional product, not a professional product. Use it on wigs, use it on real hair, whatever. I like the color, okay? I actually have several clients out and their hair is all this color red because this is what people be requesting. They be wanting their hair this color, so this is the color that I use. L'Oreal Hicolor in the shade Magenta. And if you leave it on for an extensive amount of time, you will get that vibrant red without having to use bleach. So yeah, just stay tuned for this, the remainder of this video. I did give her, I believe, a protein treatment after we rinsed the color out. And of course a trim, and then we finished up with some curls. So it's crazy I'm dropping this video now. It's actually time for her color again now. So I must have filmed this video at least 2 to 3 months ago. But I normally tell people between, 3 months is a good time to come back for color. By the time you get to 6 months, baby, it's going to be a stressful time because we're combating, body heat at the root versus, that mid shaft area that's not receiving any body heat but still needs to get up to a decent level before your root does. Once I get finished laying this color and I smooth that color all the way to her ends to make sure we have a vibrant retouch, I do cover her hair with a plastic cap and allow that to process. I want to say at least like 20 to 30 minutes just so we got cohesive heat going all around. And like I said, that heat is what really ups this color to make it super vibrant. So cover your hair in full once you got all the color on there. So yeah, this is the video for this week. I hope you all enjoyed your week. If you're keeping up with the Pretty Lounge and what's going on, as you all know, we are in a filler location right now. We have been at this space since December. It is now May, and there is things happening behind the scenes that I cannot talk about yet, but I am going to get on here on this good app and ask for y'all prayers. I'm going to ask that you ask Jesus to please work it out for me in the Pretty Lounge because there's some big things happening and we need all the prayer that we can get so we can pull this through. Even though I know it's already done, I need y'all prayers. So go ahead and pray for me and the Pretty Lounge, and I'm gonna make sure to pray for all my subscribers and anyone that's viewing this video. I hope that you are prosperous in life. And I pray that God blesses you in ways that you wouldn't even imagine, because he is amazing and he is a way maker and he's a magician. Literally, things can happen overnight with Jesus on your side. So yeah, I'm just gonna rinse this color out. I'm gonna make sure to give her a treatment. We're gonna put her up under that dryer, and then yeah, we're gonna get to blowing it out. There were no curls lost in the making of this video. Her curls is all there, honey. They're all there. And yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can see what's popping every Sunday at noon at the Pretty Lounge. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and get down in the comment box and I will be sure to get back to you. I appreciate each and every one of you for viewing this video. And make sure you become a part of the Pretty Lounge family by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for viewing. I hope you all have a great remainder of your week. And again, just stay tuned for the end of this video so you can see how luscious my girl hair is. It's so luscious, so full, so vibrant. So it's beautiful. I love this color and I love L'Oreal Hicolor. If you want to try out red, try out L'Oreal Hicolor. I believe it is a more, well, it's the product itself is not a bad product and I don't think it damages, hair. So if you want to try some color at home, this is probably the #1 box color I would tell you to try. It's the L'Oreal Hicolor. All right, y'all. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.